Recharging your vehicle's air conditioning should be easy. AC Pro gives you the tools and knowledge to get the job done right. Getting started entails knowing what type of refrigerant your vehicle uses. The refrigerant commonly known as Freon has been replaced by much more environmentally friendly refrigerants called R134A and R1234YF. A sticker under the hood usually indicates which type of vehicle needs. Here we can see that this car uses R1234YF refrigerant. And because these cannot be interchanged, it uses only this. If there's no sticker, check the vehicle's owner's manual. If it's not listed there, the AC Pro app and website have the information you need with a full database including exactly what type of refrigerant your car uses and how much. Once you know this, it's easy to get started recharging with AC Pro since the refrigerant type is on each can or bottle. The next step involves checking the pressure of the AC system, which is required before performing a recharge. This begins with finding the low side port. If your AC's pressure is low, recharging with AC Pro will help restore cold air. If the gauge indicates filled or high and there's still warm air coming from the vents, we recommend seeking the help of a certified professional. If you're having trouble, a quick inspection of the compressor is smart. If it's functioning and there's still warm air blowing, your system probably has a leak. If that's the case, recharging with AC Pro will help bring back cold air. One more tip. If you have a leftover refill can or gauge and are concerned it won't work or you're worried it's the wrong one, there's no need to fret. AC Pro's recharge products attach in refrigerant-specific directions, so R134A cans and gauges only connect with clockwise turns, while R1234YF products are attached by turning counterclockwise. Thanks for recharging with AC Pro, and be sure to check out all of our products at acprocold.com.